How to use Startup Repair in Windows 11. Have you ever turned on your PC only to find that it won't boot properly? Don't worry, you're not alone. Windows 11 includes a powerful built-in tool called Startup Repair, which can automatically fix these issues and get your device back up and running. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is Startup Repair in Windows 11? Startup Repair in Windows 11 is an essential recovery tool within the Windows recovery environment. Its job is to automatically diagnose and fix common boot issues such as corrupted system files or blue screens of death, BSODs. The best part? It works without user intervention, making it a safe and automated way to solve critical problems without affecting your files or installed applications. Prerequisites for using Startup Repair. Before you start, there are 3 things to keep in mind. First, you might need administrator access, especially when using recovery media. Second, determine your device's current system state. Can it boot to the desktop or is it stuck? This will help you choose the right method. Lastly, it's always a good idea to have a recent backup of your data, even though Startup Repair in Windows 11 is non-destructive. Different ways to initiate Startup Repair. You can launch Startup Repair in Windows 11 in several ways depending on your situation. If your device can boot to the desktop, open Settings, System, Recovery, Advanced Startup, Restart Now. If you can reach the lock screen, simply hold the Shift key while clicking Restart. For more advanced situations, you can access the tool via the command prompt or PowerShell within the Windows recovery environment. Finally, for a non-bootable system, you can use a bootable Windows 11 installation media to access the repair options. Important considerations when using Startup Repair. Sometimes, Startup Repair in Windows 11 may not work on the first try, especially with complex issues. In these cases, you may need to run it multiple times. If the tool fails to resolve the issue, you can review its log file at c:/Windows/Backlash/System32/SRT/SRT-trail.txt to pinpoint the cause. If all else fails, consider using alternative tools like System Restore or Safe Mode to get your system back on track. Startup Repair in Windows 11 offers a reliable solution for a wide range of boot problems. Whether you access it through Settings, Command Prompt, PowerShell, or installation media, this tool serves as your first line of defense against startup issues, helping you recover your system quickly and safely. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to use Startup Repair in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.